हेलो बच्चों, आई एम एस भारद्वाज फ्रॉम भारद्वाज टीचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट यूट्यूब प्लेटफार्म से आप सभी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूँ। प्यारे बच्चों, जैसे आप सभी जानते हैं, हमने क्लास 12 केमिस्ट्री चैप्टर नंबर 1 सॉल्यूशन स्टार्ट किया था और उसकी सीरीज में आज आपको 7 नंबर लेक्चर हम कराने जा रहे हैं। प्रीवियस लेक्चर में आपने देखा था रोल्स लॉ से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन न्यूमेरिकल्स। आज उसी सीरीज में हम अपना नेक्स्ट टॉपिक स्टार्ट करेंगे, आइडियल एंड नॉन आइडियल सॉल्यूशन। लेट्स सी व्हाट इज आइडियल एंड नॉन आइडियल सॉल्यूशन। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आइडियल सॉल्यूशन, this is ideal one or this is non-ideal. Non-ideal. ओके प्यारे बच्चों, शुरू करते हैं आज की क्लास। व्हाट इज आइडियल एंड नॉन आइडियल सॉल्यूशन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी डिस्कस आइडियल सॉल्यूशन। Those solutions which obeys Rolle's law. At all temperature are called ideal solutions. Okay friends, तो आइडियल सॉल्यूशंस आर दोज सॉल्यूशंस विच ओबे रोल्स लॉ। रोल्स लॉ को जो पालन करते हैं एट ऑल टेम्परेचर, किसी भी प्रकार का टेम्परेचर पर, वो सभी क्या है आपके आइडियल सॉल्यूशंस। ओके, नेक्स्ट नॉन आइडियल सॉल्यूशन, दोज solutions which do not obey Rolle's law are called non ideal solutions. Okay students, the solutions which do not follow Rolle's law are called non ideal solutions. Okay, next for ideal solution, total volume, this is known as mixing volume equal to 0. That means no change in volume. That is volume constant. This is very important point students. For ideal solution, delta V mixing not equal to 0. No change in volume. That means volume constant. Okay. For non-ideal solutions, delta V mixing not equal to 0. That is volume not constant for non-ideal solutions. Next, the enthalpy change not equal to 0. That means no heat no heat absorb or release. This is for delta H. For non-ideal solutions, delta H, that means enthalpy change, mixing not equal to 0. This is very important condition for non-ideal solution and many times repeated in many competition exam and also your board exams. Okay, students. Next, the force of solute. The force of solute, solvent. The force of solute, solvent interaction. That means suppose A equal to solute and B equal to solvent is of same order as solvent solute. That means AB. Okay, students, this is very important point. The force of solute, that means A bonding between AA and solvent, that is bonding between BB, is of same order as solvent solute interaction. So for ideal solutions, the force interaction between solute particles and solvent particles are similar to the interaction between solvent particles. Okay, students. Now the force of solute solvent interaction, that means solute interaction, solvent interaction is not of same order as solvent, that is AB. This is about for non-ideal solutions. Okay, students. Next example, very important point. Example. First example, interaction between benzene and toluene. This is very important example, many times repeated in your competition exam and also in your upcoming board exams. Okay, students. Second one, bromomethane plus chloroethane. और लास्ट वन इज normal hexane plus normal heptane. This sign indicate students N for normal. Okay. Next example. First one is number 1, water plus ethanol. Water plus acetic acid. Here students, here these are examples are very important for your ideal and non-ideal solution. Here benzene plus toluene, the pattern of solute and solvent in such type of substances are similar, so these are ideal solution. Here water plus ethanol, the pattern of solute in solvent not similar interaction, so these are the examples of non-ideal solution. And students, examples are very important for your upcoming competition exams and also board exams, because in 1 marks examples many times repeated. Okay, thank you. Let's see screenshot. Okay, next, this is for ideal and non-ideal solution. These are 5 points enough for your study and your examination purpose. Okay students, स्टूडेंट्स आप इस प्लेटफॉर्म के द्वारा केमिस्ट्री और बायोलॉजी फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट अपनी कोर्स को कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं बिना किसी पेमेंट के। बस आपको यूट्यूब पे हमारा चैनल सर्च करना है भारद्वाज टीचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट के नाम से, उसे सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा और आप अपनी पढ़ाई शुरू कर दीजिएगा, अपने प्रॉपर नोट्स बनाने शुरू कर दीजिए हमारे साथ, आपका समय पे हम कोर्स कंप्लीट कराएंगे। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लेट्स सी अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक। Positive deviation from Rolle's law. Positive deviation from Rolle's law. This is also very important for short question. Okay students, some condition explain here. The volume difference greater than 0 for positive deviation for a solution. The enthalpy change also greater than 0. Total pressure PT also greater than partial pressure of solute plus partial pressure of solvent also. So students, these 3 important conditions always remember for your upcoming examination and also competition space. Okay students, now negative deviation from Rolle's law. Okay students, similarly 3 important condition also remember here. Total volume difference reverse this lesser than 0, enthalpy change also लेसर देन 0 और P total also lesser than partial pressure A plus partial pressure B. That means partial pressure of solute and solvent. So these three conditions are very important for negative deviation from Rolle's law. Okay, let's take a screenshot. Then okay. Now students, we discuss another important topic, and this is the last topic of your chapter also. This is the solution. This is the colligative property of solution. Now students, we discuss the last topic of your chapter solution. This is colligative property. First of all, we discuss what are colligative properties. Colligative properties are those properties which depends upon the number of moles. Now we discuss what are colligative properties. Okay students. Colligative properties. Okay students, now we discuss what are colligative properties. Okay, define first of all the property of solution. The properties of solution the properties of solution which depends only on number of solute particles. And note on its nature of solute. Are called colligative properties. Colligative properties. Okay students, this is about colligative properties. So colligative properties are those properties which depend upon the number of solute particles but not the nature of solute particle. तो ऐसी सभी प्रॉपर्टी जो क्या होती हैं सोल्यूट पार्टिकल्स के नंबर पे डिपेंड करती हैं बट उसकी नेचर पे डिपेंड नहीं करती हैं. तो दीज प्रॉपर्टीज आर कॉल्ड क्या है, colligative properties. Okay student, now we discuss students. Okay ठीक. Okay, now we discuss students what types of colligative properties. These are four. First one, relative lowering of vapor pressure. This is first one colligative property. Now second, elevation of boiling point. Elevation of boiling point. This is second one. Third one, depression of freezing point. depression of freezing point. और this is last one, osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure. So these four properties of colligative property, these are four types of colligative property explained here, students. Relative lowering of vapor pressure, elevation of boiling point, depression of freezing point, osmotic pressure. Okay, these are four colligative properties. So we will discuss what are colligative properties. Explain here simply. The property which depends only the number of solute particles but not nature of solute particles are called colligative. So student, today we will discuss only some topics and stop class now because today weather is very bad, so class now stop. And finally students, again repeat, अब हमारे चैनल को आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए। इस चैनल पे आप बायोलॉजी और स्टूडेंट्स केमिस्ट्री दोनों ही सब्जेक्ट की कंप्लीट प्रिपरेशन करेंगे, वो भी बिना किसी पेमेंट के। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।